Okay. Let us spend 10 minutes just being still. I'm not going to talk. We're just going to listen to meditation music. Every time you hear the rattle, just realize it's just shifting energy. I really love the rattle. It shifts energy. It shifts energy. It's like, I used to go to the desert in California, and I would see rattlesnakes. It's so beautiful to see rattlesnakes. I would see rattlesnakes, but also I would see sometimes the skin, as the rattlesnake would have shed its skin. It was just it was so beautiful. So sometimes when you hear the rattle, it is moving or shifting energy so that you can shed that layer of defensiveness, so that your beauty, your magnificent, the genius in you can awaken. The rattle is just awakening by shifting energy. The incredible capacity within you to love yourself, number one, to honor thyself and your journey here on planet Earth, and to respect yourself. Without self-respect, this does not work. It does not work. Okay? Self-respect is, I take time to rest. Because in resting, I help myself make good choices. It decreases decision-making fatigue. Okay, me love you long time. Let's do this. So let's take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth with a gentle sigh. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. Let us start. Gently close your eyes. And I'd love for you to sit up straight. Shoulders back. Spine erect. Like a powerful cobra. Erect. Let's take another deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. So in this 10 minutes, all I would like for you to do is feel oxygen going through your nose and out through your mouth with just a gentle, not a sigh, a huge sigh, but a gentle in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Just gentle. And just sit and be still. Palms up on your knees. Just sit and be still. Whatever thoughts that come through, just allow them to come through. It's okay. Whatever sensation that you feel on your body, agitation, worry, fear, whatever ideas, whatever memories, just allow them to arise and pass away. Allow them to arise and pass away. Allow them to arise, and with a breath, allow them just to pass away. Be still. Breathing in through the nose. Sensing the oxygen going in through your nostrils and gently coming out of your mouth. Be still. You're doing so well. Be still. Whatever sensation, whatever agitation comes through your body temple, remember that it is wisdom. Observe it. Don't run away. Whatever thought arises, let it arise and pass away. And breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And be still. Keep your eyes closed. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Be still. And if you're going to bed after this, here is a sleep affirmation for you. I rest in sacred receptivity, and wake ready to receive divine instruction from all sources. Wisdom flows to me through every experience. Let's repeat. I rest in sacred receptivity and wake ready to receive divine instruction from all sources. Wisdom flows to me through every experience. And if you are just starting your day, or you're in the middle of your day, here's an inquiry. How has this week of practicing receptivity to instruction changed my relationship with learning and growth? And what qualities of sacred listening do I want to continue developing? Let's read that again. How has the week of practicing receptivity to instruction changed my relationship with learning and growth? And what qualities of sacred listening do I want to continue developing? Please take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Please open your eyes. And if you're going to continue to sleep, or this is the end of your day, please make sure that you have a beautiful sleep. And if you are at the start of your day, in the middle of your day, I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for participating full out. I send you my love. I love you long time. Thanda kakhulu isithando sami. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day ahead. Bye for now.